Hey guys, what's up? Just gonna quickly unbox my new iPhone 3G. Now I know 3G is pretty old. I don't really give a shit. I like it, so I don't like the iPhone 4. What's that word? I don't even know what it is. It's like echogrammator or something like that. Anyways, we've got the outside of the box, iPhone, Apple symbol, iPhone, Apple symbol, and a picture of it. It's got a little indented button thing there. Alright, let's open this bad boy up. Alright, there it is. Alright. Check out the back of it. In the front. Oh, there's charge. Okay, that's cool. Alright, let's check out the contents of the box. What's this? A needle of some sort. Oh, I see. Okay. That's where you put your SIM. One moment. There we go. Oh, and there's a diagram there. Okay, we have some manuals. iPhone 3G. With some connector cables. And some headphones. That's it. Put all this stuff back. I don't think it comes with a charger. I don't know. I think I put this in wrong. Yeah, I did. That, then that. And that. Alright. Thanks for watching my video of the iPhone 3G unboxing. Thank you.